Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today I'll be showing you how you can redeem Nitro gift card on Discord. In order to redeem your Nitro gift card on Discord, it's very simple. All you have to do is make sure that you are connected to an internet service. Now to begin with, go ahead and open up your Discord application. Once you open up your application or logged into your account, it's going to take you to the interface that looks something like this. So while you're on this page, all you need to do is just tap the profile icon from the bottom right hand side corner, and once you're on the profile page, click the user settings from the top right, and here all you have to do is scroll down a bit and go to billing settings. Under it you'll be able to find an option as Nitro gifting. So click the Nitro gifting button, and in order to redeem the gifting, you're able to see the redemption code right over here. So the only thing you have to do is just tap the redeem button. As soon as you do that, sometimes for the confirmation you might be asked to provide in a password, and then you've successfully redeemed your Nitro gift card on Discord. So in that way you can redeem your Nitro gift card on Discord. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.